Welcome crafting enthusiasts, Aimee here with Graphic45. In this video, we're going to be going over some very exciting 2025 developments here at the G45 headquarters. First thing, we're going to be diving into our new keepsake editions, as well as our keepsake kits with exclusive metal die sets. We'll be going over the beautiful A2 card that is designed for that kit, the bonus project sheet that comes in that kit. So let's jump right in to this keepsake edition pack. As you can see, this is just full of goodies. If you're familiar with our old deluxe collector's edition, we've been having so many requests to bring those back. And so we have basically taken that idea, but we've revamped it and it's even better with so many more goodies. So to start out, they first come in this absolutely heavy duty, reusable plastic folder, as you can see. And I'm just gonna pull that cover sheet out, and so you can see in this pack you get over 140 pieces of goodies. Pull all of these goodies out of here and go right into that. So not only are you gonna get 2 of each of those sheets of the 12 by 12 papers. Look how beautiful these papers are. You're gonna also get, I'm gonna give you the so many goodies. You're gonna get all these papers. And then let me hurry and flip these over so you can see the B sides as well. So you have those gorgeous A sides, the more decorative A sides, and then the beautiful patterns on the B sides too. Those, and then the really exciting piece about these keepsake kit that is different is we have these exclusive patterns and solids. So there are 4 different designs. You're gonna get 2 of each, so 8 sheets. As you can see, these gorgeous patterns on the A side. And let me just flip this around. On the B side, you have those beautiful solids. So this is just perfect for all of those card makers out there, album makers. This gives you those foundation pages, the cardstock sticker set. Look how beautiful these are. These are exclusive to this kit. They are newly designed and just complement this collection just perfectly. I just love that buzz sticker on that sunflower. How gorgeous is that? There are 2 sheets. They're 6 inches by 12 inches. And so many goodies for dressing up all of your Let It Be projects. These gorgeous ephemera. You're gonna get 50 pieces in this pack. So many die cut pieces. I'm just gonna pull out a few. Look at that, Let It Be, how fun. Bee on the scalloped. So many pieces, so many great additions to add to all of those projects. Life is beautiful. This quarterly kit is such a great value. You're gonna get all of these goodies at over 20% off the retail price. So sign up now. Let's dive into our keepsake kit with exclusive metal die set. So not only are you gonna get all of the goodies, all 142 of those goodies we discussed from the keepsake edition pack, you're gonna get an exclusive metal die set that is only available with this keepsake kit. Look how gorgeous these bee and honeycomb border dies are. Of course, they're done in that nice, beautiful gold metal that all of the G45 dies are featured in. And they are just gonna be perfect for die cutting out these beautiful pieces to enhance any of your Let It Be projects. So if you want this die set, you must get this keepsake kit while supplies last. They are limited in availability, so I highly recommend you sign up and subscribe so you can be sure to be one of the lucky crafters out there that gets this set. Not only are you gonna get the die set, you're also gonna get this bonus step-by-step project sheet that will walk you through how to make this beautiful A2 card with the keepsake kit. You're gonna have so many goodies that you could make over 16 of these gorgeous A2 cards and kind of modify those to your liking. But of course, that's not limited to just making cards. This is just giving you one example of the many things you could create with this beautiful keepsake kit. With the step-by-step instructions, you're gonna learn how to make this beautiful A2 card with this great belly band featuring that metal die cut with the honeycomb. As you can see, some of the beautiful ephemera. Open up that gatefold card. Look how beautiful that is, featuring those bees die cut out, as well as all of the other goodies you get in this beautiful kit. Here is a larger A7 size card. Just love those bees you see throughout the line. And of course, they go perfectly with the honeycomb and bee dies. With this Let It Be Keepsake Quarterly Kit, this is the first of the launch for 2025, which we're really excited about. These will be coming out every quarter. So the first one will be ready to ship late January. Make sure to subscribe now while supplies last. These are limited edition. So if you are wanting to become a subscriber, I would suggest getting on that list now so you don't miss that opportunity. Not only are you going to be getting an exclusive die every quarter that is only available with this kit, you're going to also be getting the bonus project sheet like we talked about, as well as all of those other goodies that are available in the Keepsake Edition. So this is going to keep you going with Graphic 45's best collections that we've ever released. So this is going to be really exciting. Lots of inspiration coming your way. A perfect addition if you already are a subscriber to one of our gorgeous card kits or album kits. This is a perfect addition to those kit subscriptions. So sign up now, and thanks for joining me.